Are you stuck on your homework? You might be wondering which study tool is better, Chegg or Course Hero. In this video, we'll compare these two popular platforms to help you decide. Both Chegg and Course Hero aim to make studying easier. They offer resources like textbook solutions, expert Q&A, and study materials, but they do have some key differences. First, let's talk about Chegg. Chegg is known for its textbook solutions and tutoring services. You can get step by step answers for many textbooks. Plus, they offer 24/7 tutoring help. This makes it great for quick questions and immediate support. Now, let's look at Coursera. Coursera focuses more on user generated content. You can find study guides, notes, and practice tests uploaded by other students. It's a good resource if you want a variety of materials for different subjects. When it comes to differences, Chegg is more about direct help and textbook solutions. Course Hero leans towards community based resources. So, if you want personal tutoring, Chegg might be your best bet. If you prefer a wide range of study materials, Course Hero could be the way to go. In terms of features, Chegg offers textbook solutions, tutoring, and even internship help. Course Hero provides access to a library of documents and the ability to ask questions to experts. Both have their strengths depending on what you need. As for pricing, Check generally has subscription options for tutoring and textbook access. Course Hero also has subscription plans but focuses on unlocking documents and study materials. In the end, if you need direct help with homework, choose Check. If you want a variety of study resources from other students, go for Course Hero. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.